Hi, welcome to my channel ShopZone. Are you looking for best products on Amazon? Here will best products review on Amazon. Blink Mini, compact indoor plug-in smart security camera, 1080p HD video, night vision, motion detection, two-way audio, easy setup, works with Alexa, 3 cameras, white. Monitor the inside of your home day and night with our 1080p HD indoor plug-in smart security camera with motion detection and two-way audio. See, hear, and speak to people and pets in your home from your smartphone with Blink Mini's live view and two-way audio. Get alerts on your smartphone whenever motion is detected or customize motion detection zones so you can see what matters most. Use Mini as an indoor plug-in chime for Blink video doorbell. Hear a real-time alert from Mini when someone presses your video doorbell. Choose to save and share clips with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan or locally with the Sync module too, sold separately. Set up in minutes. Plug in the camera, connect it to Wi-Fi, and follow the instructions in the free Blink Home Monitor app. Works with Alexa. Pair Blink Mini with a supported Alexa-enabled device to engage live view, arm, and disarm your camera, and more using your voice. Includes 3 Blink Mini cameras, white, 3 mounting kits with stands, 3 USB cables, and 3 power adapters.